Hey gang, from my previous video, you know that we're trying to mount a motor from here with a pulley that goes around this and then goes around another one that'll be inside of here. And at first I wanted to make this tube huge because I thought we'd put a big gear in here. And then I was like, wait, maybe we don't. Maybe we just put a big gearbox out here between this bit and there. So this can be tensioned with this screw that moves the shaft in and out, and that way you get the belt over here and then you tighten the screw and that makes everything hold real good. Same idea is used in the previous tests you've seen in our other videos, but all of this is going to go here, and the tube, this tube that comes out is going to have a slot cut in the side, so the belt comes out and goes around the motor, and then there'll be bop, 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 with a sensor on the back. It'll all be good, and then we'll know how long these pipes are, and we can cut these pipes so that all of these gears will be on there, and we'll finally have motors moving, turning the thing, and it'll be beautiful. Oh yes, my children are coming together. It's excellent.